If you have symptoms, you must immediately self-isolate and get a test. It's easy to get a test on nhs.uk or by dialing 119. If you test positive, you must work with NHS Test and Trace to identify who you've been in close contact with. And if you're asked by NHS Test and Trace to isolate, you must do so to break the chain of transmission and to stop the spread of the virus. I would even go so far as to say that participation with NHS Test and Trace is your civic duty. I think that the system has worked well, and to get 2/3 in the first week of operation, it beat my expectations, and then to have the vast majority, 85% of the contacts that were given, self-isolating, that beat my expectations too.
The 4,807 contacts who have not confirmed that they will self-isolate, a significant proportion of them we haven't reached yet and spoken to or been able to get a response from them. So I don't think we should leap to the conclusion that all of them, all 15% of contacts, are actively choosing not to self-isolate. Some simply won't have replied to the text message or the email, or we had the wrong email or text or number for them.
Are you ruling out any kind of enforcement mechanism to try and make this work better?
We're not ruling it out, Andy, but we don't think we need it at the moment. And what we've got to do is keep seeing those numbers go up, the numbers of people in the system and the proportion that we get to, because we think that is the best way forward.